Hi guys, and welcome to Ayesha'S Cuisine du Monde. My name is Chef Ayesha and this is my channel. I'm just gonna show you how to make Ghana fufu made of plantain and cassava. We need our cassava, your plantain to be peeled and diced like this, sizable chunks, tiny chunks, because we're gonna blend it. Plantain looks unprepped, so peel the skin off. For cassava, you have to cut them into chunks like this as well. I'm gonna pour in the banana mix with the cassava and blend it.
Cuisines, a place where your cooking is a careful. Cuisines, a place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha'S Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha'S Cuisines. Ayesha'S Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha'S Cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha'S Cuisines. Come on, Ayesha'S Cuisines. A place where your cooking is a cared for. Ayesha'S Cuisines. You are what you eat. Eat well, live well. Ayesha'S Cuisines. So this is a cooking platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. So if you like eating recipes across the globe, then this channel is for you, and you can support it by subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing. That way YouTube get to recommend my channel, and I also get to upload more videos. Thank you.
I'm gonna try and flip the bottom bit. It's a bit sticky. Flip it, but we'll allow this to cool before our flour fufu here. This is how the fufu is looking. We're gonna keep driving it and then allow it to thoroughly cook, because we don't want it to eat some bits raw. So look at that, guys. Add small bits of water like this. That's enough. Cover again, allow the steam to cook it. This is how the fufu is looking like, and as you can see, it's too soft to handle. So I'm just gonna allow this to cool down a bit. Then we'll transfer this into our mortar. Look at what flour, yeah, what flour. Then we'll prep it, ready to be dished. It's too hot at this point, you can't work with this, so you allow it to cook for, let's say, 15 minutes. So guys, yeah, we've waited a bit and this is what we are getting. I'm just gonna transfer it into the mortar and work with it. I'm gonna pour our flour fufu here. So, oh, this is so soft. So flour fufu here. So fufu is ready. Hope you like.